हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे माय मदर। मैं 250 वर्ड्स के साथ आपके साथ ये ऐसे शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। मदर इज़ द मोस्ट प्रीशियस पर्सन दैट कैन नॉट बी डिस्क्राइब्ड इन वर्ड्स. Mothers are next to God. It is a true saying. My mother is the greatest gift to me by God. She does everything for me. She is my first teacher, guide, and my best friend. My mother is great person for me. The name of my mother is Priya. She is 40-year-old. She is an educated person. She is housewife. She is very caring, polite, and affectionate to all. She has good skills of cooking food, cleaning house, welcoming guests, and soon. My mother is the person who has the most impact in my life. She gets up early in the morning. She takes care of everyone in our family. She teaches me good habits and moral values. She understands me and helps me to solve my problems. My mother is my pride. She is my great motivation because she always encourages me. I tell all my secret to her. She manages everything perfectly. My mother is an impression to me because of her devotion, hard work, love and faith. Inspires me to do more, to learn more and to become more. My mother loves me and my family very much. She treats all equally. I love my mother so much and I always pray for the health and long life of my mother. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।